Hi! Happy Easter! Because of Him, we can find hope, forgiveness, and a new beginning. Habang namumukadkad ang cherry blossoms this spring, naaalala ko na ang buhay natin ay parang seasons din. May winter, may pain, may waiting. Pero tulad ng Easter, hindi doon nagtatapos ang story. Because through Christ, may resurrection, may bagong buhay, at may bagong pag-asa. So today, look at these blossoms and remember, God can make beautiful things bloom even after the hardest season. Ilang buwan lang ang nakalipas, ang mga punong ito ay parang patay. Walang dahon, walang kulay, tahimik lang sa gitna ng winter. Pero ngayon, puno na sila ng buhay at ganda. So kung nasa winter season ka ngayon, kapit lang. Because just like these blossoms in God's perfect time, you will bloom again.